Hello, welcome to another Eagle 6 video. It's Richard here. I'm just doing a quick test video of Tom's M16A3, the G&P one. It's come in with some broken gears on the inside of it, so we've fit some new gears, fit bearings, fit new hot rubber, because it's never a bad thing doing that, one of the PDI ones, and a new piston as well. So we've increased the rate of fire on it, and just generally just by fitting these parts. So just a quick demo for you. $249. It's only on an 8.4 volt battery, this. I hope you enjoy it.